Welcome everyone to another wonderful episode here at Doctors of Podiatry. You know, the pandemia has really caused a lot of issues for a lot of people, especially obviously not getting pedicures. A lot of people trying to try to figure it out on their own, right? When it comes to pedicures, trimming of the toenails, etc. A lot of people, even an individual as such who tried to remove as much nail as possible to try to eradicate the problem. Problem is that there's that tipping point, that point where the individual cannot cut any further back. So the patient has presented with tremendous amount of pain. She has again was able to cut as much as possible, but left a lot behind, and that has definitely, she has an ingrown toenail, the proximal portion of that nail fold. Let's take a look. Okay, so I want everyone to see here. So the patient was able to actually cut everything here. You see, there's nothing here, but everyone can now see in there everything, all of this from here this way. There's a nail in there, all the way in there. So what we'll do is we're gonna remove this little offending ingrown toenail. We already spoke about, maybe in the near future, the phenol-chemical matrixectomy permanent procedure, FYI. So we'll carefully, we want to do a nice little cut there. This may not be like one of these super duper like OMG like ingrown toenails, but it's a great case because a lot of people, try to look at this. You see? This is what was left behind. Okay, so I want you guys to see this. Let me just clean it up a little bit here, Caesar. You guys can really appreciate what I'm talking about. So we'll just kind of put it like right there. So the problem, let me just put this here. So the problem is everyone can see the patient was able to trim everything up to here. And then all of this was back here. You see now, when I go like this, it's buggy. Boink, 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 right? So, get back here. So that's it. Problem solved. As always, we like to, let me just double check. Nothing back there. Everything's nice and clean. Excellent. Voila, we're all set. Now we take a little bit of antibiotic cream. Okay, again, antibiotic cream. One more. There we go. That's going to feel a whole lot better. For all the non-subscribers, subscribe. If you guys have enjoyed this video, give us a like. Please, comments. Let's go. As always, I love comments. You know, we will definitely, oh yeah, and by the way, make sure your notifications are all on. We will continue to upload videos into this platform. We will continue to do what we do. Education at the core. We will continue to educate the world 1 foot and 1 toe at a time. Have a wonderful day, everyone.